Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing devices and permissions. First, make sure your AirPods Pro 2 firmware and your iPhone are updated. This unlocks accessibility features. Next, enable headphone accommodations and live listen under Settings Accessibility. Grant microphone access if prompted. Once done, pair the AirPods normally and confirm they appear in Bluetooth. Make sure both buds show connected and battery is sufficient, because low power can interrupt calibration, and the hearing aid features you're about to configure. You now tailor the listening profile for clarity. Open headphone accommodations and run custom audio setup. Respond honestly to tone comparisons so the iPhone creates a personalized profile. Then tweak transparency and noise control modes to let in helpful ambient cues while reducing distracting noise. Use Live Listen as an assistive mic. Position the iPhone toward the sound source and adjust volume. This boosts distant voices. Make sure to test in a quiet and a busy environment so the profile adapts to everyday conditions. You complete setup by validating performance across scenarios. Call someone, play video, and compare speech clarity and noise. If you hear distortion, rerun custom audio setup or toggle headphone accommodations off and on to clear incorrect profiles. Make sure earbuds fit well. Change ear tips for a seal that affects bass and clarity. If problems persist, reset the AirPods and reconnect. Troubleshooting tip: if sounds are still off, check for earwax. Clean microphones, then contact Apple support or consult an audiologist for medical assessment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.